Hi guys, Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we're talking about towel racks. So most homes come with the one little rod. What I like about this one is that it's like super sturdy and it's also decorative, super thick, and you can intertwine the towels any way that you wish to design them or decorate them. And there's just different ways. So this is a very fancy towel rack that gives you customizable options. It looks more decorative and finished out. It's super sturdy. This can be found on Amazon, so that's a great thing. I can put a link for you to purchase this, but just think about that when you're doing towel racks, because a lot of times they're like the skinny one bar and they only hold like maybe one towel. But if you have a really pretty bathtub and you want to take baths or that different thing, these are great. They also have these where they're actually heated. So they're elaborate like this, but they're heated and they plug into the wall. And so when you remove your towel, it's actually warm. So it's another great idea that you can do instead of having just the one bar. So that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.